Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going into my sister's, well, we are in my sister's kitchen. Okay, so you see from the thumbnail we're doing extra. OMG guys. We keep saying essence, it's not essence, it's extra. Let's go into the kitchen and do the extract. Oh guys, I can't wait to use them. They should be ready by summer or before summer. 6 weeks. 6 weeks. Yes. Anyway, guys, let's go into the kitchen, and my sister will be doing this also. OMG, I've been enjoying these videos. Let's go, guys. And I'm gonna video her doing it. Let's go into the kitchen. She'll be doing it, and I'll be videoing. Come on, let's go into the kitchen, guys.
But weren't you gonna put that smaller?
I was trying to make it smaller like that.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, so we're basically just going to blanch some almonds, about a cup of almonds, because we're going to be using blanched almonds to make almond essence. So 1 cup of raw almonds, and putting it into boiling water for 30 seconds. I'm going to put it for about a minute. It's going to go for about 30 seconds. Once that starts counting down, after that, there we go. So once it starts counting down, I'm going to have it stop at the 30-second mark. And then it's going to, I'm going to stop the almonds from cooking. Okay, so I'm going to stop it and take this off the stove. As you can see, if you look in there, you'll see what a blanched almond is supposed to look like. I wouldn't suggest you touch that, but I will, just for your liking. And all you got to do is squeeze it out, and there you go.
Oh.
And there is your blanched almond. So here is your blanched almond. Because it doesn't take that long to make blanched almonds at all. That's it. Things done. That's it. Almonds are blanched. Turn off the stove. I'm gonna drain the water.
Okay guys, these are the ingredients for
the different essences that I'm going to be making. So I'm going to make an orange essence, lemon essence, vanilla essence, and almond essence. Blanched almonds, and that's the start of the blanched almonds, and this is the peeled blanched almonds. And of course we need vodka, sterilized jars and lids, and we need the bottle to finally put it into at the end after it's sitting for 6 weeks in the vodka.
Okay, and the vodka that we're using is?
Oh, this is produced and bottled in Louisville, Kentucky.
Okay. You guys know why we're doing that, right?
No other comments.
So wait, that's the farthest we're gonna go with that. Okay guys, we're gonna start the video now. Okay,
so the first things we're gonna do is continue to remove the skins from the blanched almonds. As you can see earlier, we just did put it in hot water for 30 seconds, hot boiling water for 30 seconds, and all you do is squeeze the skin off. Literally squeeze the skin off, just like that.
And guys, they're slippery little buggers.
Yeah, so
they go popping.
Make sure you are putting it exactly where it's supposed to go, because it will land across the kitchen. There you go. Squeeze it, and it literally squeezes like toothpaste, just like that. Squeeze it, and it slips right out the shell, out the skin. That's how easy it is to get blanched almonds. And if you're going to be using that in pastry, you want to make sure they dry off. So you do this a couple days ahead, and you're good to go. We're not using it in pastry, so we can just drop it right into our sterilized jars and pour the vodka on top, and you're good to go for 6 weeks. And after that, you can make as much as you want. We're going to be making 2 16-ounce bottles, so we're going to pour 32 ounces of vodka into each one of these bottles. And you know how long that's gonna last, because for those of you who bake or uses essence, you only use a little bit. Like, really, you do not use a lot of essence at all. So you can make a little bit and it will last forever. Did I get everything? That's all of it, right? Yep, that's all of it. There, I can put the skin in there now. That one.
Okay guys, we'll be right back.
So we're gonna start packing our jars and filling them. So we're gonna start with, these bottles are actually filled with hot water, and I really shouldn't be doing this. But I will pour these out. I was sterilizing the jars. So I'm going to pour out these hot water. Oh, sweet mother of God. And then I am going to literally fill these with the cut almonds on the bottom. Okay, so that's that for that. And then I am going to now fill this to the 32 ounce mark right there. I'll turn it around so you can see. 32 is here. So because here is 24. So the 32 ounces here.
My bad.
Not that kind of really. Okay, and that's the almond extract. This is actually extract, you guys, not essence. Extract. So I am going to get my lid, and since this is not for permanent storage, I'm going to put my lid on here, and then my screw top, making sure that it's airtight. It has to be airtight. So for me, this is fingertip tight. Okay, so that's that. Now it sits this way. After I shake it up a little bit, well, you got to shake it up really well, and think you're thinking about shaking a martini. Oh, okay. Darn. Killjoy. Okay, so for 6 weeks, or it's gonna sit in the vodka for 6 weeks, and then every other day or so I will go and shake them. So I'm leaving them on my counter so I can remember to do that. And I'll make sure to put the date on here. As you can see, there's a date range. You can put the date on here. So I will put the date on here, and then for the date that it's going to be at the 6 week range or date. When that is done, I am going to strain this with a regular strainer or double strainer into the final storage jar, which I'm going to sterilize and make sure that it is capped properly. So as you can see, these are for bottling beer, but same difference, beer, vodka, so I'm gonna bottle these and make sure to store them properly in this jar when it's done. And I might just give my sister some, yeah, whatever.
What do you mean you might?
And this will be the final storage for this, for each one of them. This is a 16 ounce jar. This is 32 ounces. So I will be getting 2 jars of this from this. And a little goes a long way. So please make sure that if you are doing these extract, you know they're going to last a very long time, because you only use a little bit. Even in your baking recipes or your meat recipes, you only use a little bit. So that will last a long time. So now we're going to move on to the next one, which will be the vanilla, and then lemon, and then orange. Again, I am going to, oh Lord, that's hot. I bought this vanilla online, and it has 10 pieces in there. So I am going to drop all 10 in there, and just know that you can oh my god, that smells good. You can reuse these once you're done. You can put them into your, you can actually just leave them in there and it will just continue to fill it with the vodka, and it will continue to refresh itself. Or you can take some out and also put it in your sugar jar when you're done with it. Just cut it open and you can get the bean out, and then put it in your sugar jar. You can also cut this open right now and then have the beans in your vodka. I don't choose to do that. I want to leave it whole and then just let it continue to steep as is. So here is my vanilla bean. And you really only need 3 vanilla bean for 1 cup of vodka. So I'm putting in my 3 for my 1 cup of vodka, my other 3 for 2 cups of vodka, and because I love me, I'm gonna put the rest of them in there and just love me up a little bit more. So here comes the other 32 ounce of the vodka to cover my vanilla bean. Let me see if they cheat me. Oh, they didn't cheat me.
And they actually give you extra.
Look how much is left after 2 32 ounce jars.
Oh, wow.
So 1 lid and 1. Oop, 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 oop. Here's my lid. And like I said, this is not for permanent storage, so I can use that and I don't have to clean the tip of it. And again, it's fingertip tight. So I'm going to shake this up. And yes, you can cut your vanilla bean if you want to make it a lot stronger. And I probably should cut some of them. But if I will test it first at the 6-week mark. And if I need to cut it, then I'll cut it and let it sit again, because I have so many vanilla bean in there. I don't have to cut all of them. But I will let it sit this way just to see what's going to happen. And like I said, if it doesn't steep too much, or if it's not strong enough for me, then I will take them out and cut them and put them back in there. But again, it's do it to your taste.
Okay guys, I will be leaving all information in the description below. And this is the first time we're doing the extract, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
next is the lemon. Okay, please don't do that. I mean, if your jars are hot, use your oven mitts, okay? Be smarter than the average bear. I am never the average bear. Never been. So I'm using the zest from 2 lemons. And I'm just going to drop them right in there. Try not to get the whites, because those whites will make your lemon extract very bitter. So try not to get the whites. And this is not fancy vodka. Trust me, this is not fancy vodka.
You don't need fancy vodka.
Nope, you don't need fancy vodka at all. Oh, this was 1.75 liter. No wonder I have extras.
Oh.
It is, isn't it? Okay. And these were actually soaking in hot water. They're not too hot now though, which is why I can stick my hand in there. One lemon martini coming right up. Okay, it said shake vigorously. Vigorously. Okay, now for the last one, excuse me, I need to just reach over and get this one. So this one is orange zest. I'm just going to put them all in there. And I had dried these because I was actually going to use them for my pastries. All right. And it's best to use organic oranges, please, so you don't have things in there that you probably don't know exist. I always make sure to have my hand up here just in case I didn't tighten that thing properly. Alright, for right now, that's gonna be that. So there you have it. Almond, vanilla, lemon, and orange extract. So in 6 weeks, we'll show you exactly what happens in 6 weeks and then show you the bottling of the final product.
Ah, shucks, look at you. They're beautiful though.
Thank you.
I can't wait to taste them. Oh, Christmas cookies will be perfect with those.
This is the end of that video.
Man, that was a quick ending. Guys, you hear how quick she ended this video? Anyway, guys, I promise to leave all information in the description below. And see you on my other video. And I will be keeping you guys updated with the information from this video. I will just be tagging it onto this one. Okay, guys. Interesting, isn't it? That you can make your own extract instead of having to purchase it, and you know exactly what's inside it. That's the best part. You know what's inside it. Oh, guys, I can't wait to use them. And don't worry, you guys will see when I use them. Whichever one is mine. I think we're sharing them. Just between you and me, I think we're sharing one bottle each. Because you get 2 16-ounce out of each of those. I'll let you guys know how much you gave me. I promise. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Stay safe. God bless. I will be updating you guys on how they are coming. But from what my sister had says, she's been shaking every morning. Shaking the bottles every morning. And they've been looking good. They've been looking good. She had to do a little change with the vanilla. I think she ended up cutting them in half. And I think she says she's about to change it again and open a couple of them to remove some of the vanilla from inside it so it can get a little more potent.